Hello guys, if you are watching this video, you are probably looking for classic car parts online. We realize it's hard to find classic car parts in the market. At Taiwan, we can save your time and help you find the right aftermarket classic car parts. And they are as good as original parts. In this video, we put together a list of 3 high popular products for you. These products are popular in our classic car parts catalog, and we usually get a lot of inquiries on these products. Let's get started with door handle. From left to right, we got here have exterior door handle, interior door handle, and window handle. The door handles mostly for 60s to 80s classic cars, some of them for the 90s car. Take a close look at the finish. The polished chrome has a mirror-like finish, which provides the handle a bright and clean look. You can through the camera to see how the outstanding quality of the polishing skills. Move on to automotive lighting. We have got here headlights, tail lights, and signal lights. They have bulb types and halogen types for your choice. They are both giving you a real nice spread of lights close to the vehicle. Another nice feature is most of lamps has passed E-Mark certification. Finally, we have got here are the customized Parts Auto Grille. The grille mesh is made by welded steel, which produces stronger and resilient. We are using higher materials than OEM grilles, with high-grade stainless steels, more parts like windshield, oil caps, and these parts are we usually do for our customer. Subscribe our channels if you like what you saw. If you found a useful information, share it on Facebook or wherever. Take care, guys.